Robots are becoming integrated into our daily lives, such as household chores like cleaning and maintenance. Robots offer numerous benefits to human daily life, such as increased efficiency, time saving, and convenience. However, for now, robots cannot effectively interact with humans or understand human intent, and this can lead to serious consequences. My research will focus on interaction-aware teleoperation system, based on gesture recognition. Current teleoperation robotics system has challenges such as device dependency, data dependency, and high computation cost. I will focus on gesture recognition, integrated with robots, and implementing imitation learning, on robot manipulation, instead of reinforcement learning. Especially focus on Gale algorithm, implementation in human-robot interaction system. With more understanding robotic systems, humans can enjoy a more convenient and efficient life, with their families.